Everyone, I'm so happy to welcome you all to watch this video. In this video, I'm going to teach you social studies 7th lesson is about our soils. The topic what we are going to learn is our soils. Soil is the top covering of the earth's surface. We need it to grow crops. Let us see how is soil formed. Soil is formed when large rocks break into smaller pieces. These pieces further break down into sand and silts, so tiny sands, and this is carried to different places by running water and wind. All this, however, is a very slow process. It takes thousands of years to form a very thin layer of soil. Soil fertility. Next point what we are going to learn is soil fertility. The importance of soil lies in its fertility. Farmers add manure. You know what does manure means? Waste matter of animals that is mixed with the soil. And fertilizers is any material of natural or synthetic origin that is applied to soil to supply more plant nutrition essential to the growth of plants. So, farmers add manure and fertilizers to the soil to make it more fertile. Fertile means வளமாக செழிப்பாக இருக்கிறதுக்கு. So, a fertile soil produces more crops. Next, we'll see the types of soil in India. India has many types of soil. You can see in map 7.1 there as follows. Let us see the map. See different colors of soil in India, different types. You can see the types of soil or where there is green colored, that is alluvial soil. Okay, the plain areas it is alluvial soil. Next, the gray color, it is black soil. Okay, where there is colored like gray, it is black soil. And where there is red color, okay, சிவப்பு colors, red soil. Next, laterite soil. In Tamil we'll say semman. Laterite soil. Red soil சிவப்பு மண் and laterite soil semman. Okay, where there is light color, yellow color. Next, mountain soil, where there is light green colored. See on the mountain, Jammu and Kashmir and surrounded area, it is colored in light green, that is mountain soil. Next, desert soil, yellow color in Rajasthan and Gujarat. See, there is yellow colored part, that is desert soil. Okay, and let us see one by one. First, we'll see alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is found in the northern and the coastal plains. It is formed when rivers deposit silt along its banks. Banks means side of the river. Okay, river bank means side of the river. Okay, so it is formed when rivers deposit silt along its banks. It is very fertile. and rice, wheat, jute, and vegetables grow well in this soil. So, alluvial soil is more fertile, and what are the crops we can grow in it? Rice, wheat, jute, and vegetables grow well in the soil. Next, we'll see black soil. Black soil is black in color. It has been formed from lava rocks. That is why it is also called black lava soil. And lava rocks means the rocks that are formed, lava rocks that are formed when hot molten rocks called lava, which comes out from inside the earth, cools and harden on the earth's surface, lava rocks. Okay, and next, it is mostly found in Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Madhya Pradesh. Black soil can hold a large amount of moisture. This quality makes the soil suitable for growing cotton, sugarcane, wheat, and oil seeds. What are the crops? It can be grown: cotton, sugarcane, wheat, and oil seeds can be grown in this type of soil. Okay, next we'll see red soil. Red soil is found in parts of Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand, and the northern east states. And this red colored soil is less fertile. However, if fertilizers are added, cotton, wheat, rice, millets, and pulses can be grown in it. What are the crops can be grown? Cotton, wheat, rice, millets, and pulses can be grown in it. See the black soil and the red soil. Left hand side you can see the black soil, the right hand side red soil. You can see the color of the soil. And next we can see laterite soil. Laterite soil is found in parts of Maharashtra, Karnataka, Kerala, Telangana, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, Assam, and Meghalaya. And it forms when minerals are washed away from the soil due to very heavy rainfall. And when this soil is properly manured, it can be used to grow tea plant, coffee plant, rubber tree, coconut tree, and fruits. So, when the farmers put manure, it can be used to grow tea plant, coffee plant, rubber, and coconut trees, and some fruits. They can grow this in the soil. Next, you can see the picture. People are making bricks in the soil. Okay, laterite soil. They are using the soil to make bricks, and bricks are used in building constructions. And next we'll see mountain soil. Mountain soil is found on the hill slopes in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, West Bengal, and Arunachal Pradesh. It is rich in humus. Humus means fertilizer formed when dead leaves and plants remain in the soil for a long time. சாயிலில் பிளான்ஸில் உள்ள வேஸ்டெல்லாம் மக்கி இருக்கிறது தான் என்னது ஹியூமஸ். ஓகே. And wheat, maize, fruits, coffee and tea are grown in such soil. Next we'll see desert soil. Desert soil is found in Rajasthan and Gujarat. Such soil is sandy and infertile. Valamillada man. However, if water is available for irrigation, then wheat, millets, barley, pulses and cotton can be grown in such soil, in desert soil. You can see in this picture mountain soil and desert soil in the right hand side. And next we'll see soil erosion and conservation. When the top soil is removed by rainwater and wind, it is called soil erosion. When there is heavy rainfall or wind, okay, காற்று வேகமாக அடிக்கும்போது மண் எல்லாத்தையும் என்னாச்சும் அடிச்சுட்டு போயிடும். So when the top soil is removed by rainwater and wind, it is called soil erosion. The soil loses its fertility due to erosion. The following steps must be taken to prevent soil erosion and to protect soil. The first point is do not cut trees. If we cut trees for building houses, bridges, we get soil erosion. If you cut one tree, you should plant 2 trees. So plant more trees. Second point is plant more trees. The next point is do not keep the fields barren. Barren means without using. தரிசு நிலமா போடக்கூடாது. Barren means தரிசு, without using the field. And next, stop overgrazing of land. Overgrazing means மாடு ஆடுகள்லாம் விட்டு மேய விட்டுட்டோன்னா என்னாகும், சாயில் எரோஷன் ஏற்படும். ஸோ ஸ்டாப் ஓவர் கிராசிங் ஆஃப் லேண்ட். நெக்ஸ்ட், யூஸ் manure or natural fertilizers instead of artificial fertilizer. You should use organic fertilizers. Okay. Use manure or natural fertilizers instead of artificial fertilizers. Okay. Go through this lesson and find answers for the given book exercise. Okay, you can read the clues and write the soil, which types of soil, and you can circle the correct word by reading this lesson. Go through this lesson and answer the book exercise which is given at the back of your book. Thank you, children. God bless you all.